Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be going through how we can manually copy trade traders on the Alpha Impact platform. And for those that don't know, my name is Hayden. I'm the co-founder here at Alpha Impact. So this is the platform. You can see lots of activity here. Of course, you do need to have an account for the Alpha Impact platform. You also need to have connected an exchange account to our platform. So to find a trader, we have to go here to the Discover section. You'll see that some traders have a subscribe and a follow button. Basically, the follow people are free and the subscribe people are paid. That's the way that we think about that. So you'll need to have some traders that you are following and subscribing to. I've already gone ahead and done that. So you will actually receive notifications from the Alpha Impact platform to let you know when traders make a trade. And just to show you what that looks like, we end up getting these notifications through Telegram as well. So these are sent directly to your phone or personal device. And so you'll get a real-time alert. So you'll know exactly when the trade has gone through. If you want to manually copy trade, then this will be your moment to obviously go ahead and do that. So the Telegram integration is really neat. So just coming back here, there's two ways to make a copy trade manually. So you can head over to the notifications tab, you can click trades, and then you can just find a trade to copy. Just a quick note, we're recording this in the kind of depths of the crypto bear market, so there's not a lot of trading that's been happening the past few days. We see that increasing over the next couple weeks. So we can go here, Chris has made a trade, you can quick copy, and it will actually show you what to do. So I don't have any of this asset, but just to demo, I'm just going to press buy. So we'll buy some of this token. It's a market order, you press confirm, and boom, it goes through. The other way to manually copy trade is to actually go into the trader's account. So you could do that, and you can see when you've paid the subscription fee, you get these announcements from the traders, so these get sent directly to you, and we can go ahead and click on his portfolio. Once we're there, we can see all of his trades. These will appear in real time if you've paid the subscription fee. And let's just go ahead and copy this one. So he's buying some Bitcoin. So it takes a moment to pop up. We can buy some as well. Press copy, press confirm, and so this is a market order. So that's just gone through on my Binance account. So that's how you manually copy trade on Alpha Impact. Thanks so much for watching.